Hello everyone, welcome back to Lingoland. Today we are going to learn how to talk about days, months, and years in English. This is an important topic because we use time all the time when talking about birthdays, making plans, or even filling out forms. So let's get started. First, let's learn about days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Let's say them together. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday. The 2 most difficult days to pronounce are Tuesday and Thursday. So take extra time to practice these. As you can see, we always use a capital letter for the first letter of each day. Monday to Friday are weekdays. These are the days when most people work or go to school. Saturday and Sunday are the weekend, the days to relax. Let's practice the question and the answer. Repeat after me. What day is today? Great job! What day is today? What day is today? The answer? It's then the days of the week. For example, it's Monday. It's Saturday. It's Friday. Now comment below and tell me what day is today. All right, let's talk about months. There are 12 months in a year. Let's say them together. Repeat after me. January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. Well done! As you can see, we also always use a capital letter for the first letter of month. Great! Now, some months have 30 days, some have 31, and February is special. It has 28 days, but every 4 years, it has 29 days. Now, let's practice its question and answer. It's a simple question. What month is it? What month is it? Repeat after me. Perfect. For the answer, we can say it's January. It's March. It's February. Perfect. And next question is, what month is your birthday? What month is your birthday? Repeat. Perfect. What month is your birthday? My birthday, for the answer, we can say, my birthday is in December. My birthday is in December. Now, what month is your birthday? My birthday is in, then the month. My birthday is in December. My birthday is in April, and so on. What month is your birthday? Tell me in the comments. Great! Now let's learn how to say years in English. Years are normally divided into 2 parts. The first 2 digits and the last 2 digits. For example, 1984 is divided into 2 parts, like 19 and 84. So you would say 1984. 1984. Look at these numbers. How to read them? 1066. 1652. 1941. How about this one? 2017. How to say the years after 2000? For the years 2001 to 2010, the most common way of saying the year is 2000 and plus number. For example, 2001. Look at these numbers. 2001. 2005. 2008. Well done. Some people say 2012, while others say in 2 parts, like 2012. They are both used and both correct. Look at these years. How do you read them? 1508. 1709. 1901. When a year ends in 00, like this, then the year is said as the digits before 00 and then 100. Let's see how it works. Look at this number. 1300. How about this one? 1700. How about the next one? 1800. When people refer to the entire century, an S is added to the end. Like the 1500s, the hundreds. For years before 2000, we usually split them into two parts. But for this to this, we say them like a full number. 2000. 2005. From 2010 onward, we can say 2010, 2020, and so on. What year is it now? Write it in the comments. Finally, let's put it all together. When talking about dates, we say the day, the month, and the year. For example, how do you read this date? April 5th, 2023. Look at the next one. January 1st, 2000. Great job, everyone! Now you know how to talk about dates, months, and years in English. If you want to learn more, check out my video on giving personal information or my lesson on greetings in English. Click here to watch. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video and happy learning. Bye!